Okay. This makes me feel so good when I sell something. When I sell something, when I feel that I am useful, that I can produce something, that's a very, very good feeling. And this is the fig jam just freshly made. And sometimes I got friends asking, what do you do with fig jams, with this and that? So a lot of things I can put into my yogurt. So the fig jam I eat with my yogurt. Just, this is too much. Let me put it on top of it so that I know the difference. So I eat it with yogurt. So the yogurt is more flavorful. A lot of time my yogurt is just plain, does not have any. But there are times I do want to have something a little bit sweet, right? So I eat it with yogurt. It's the acidity in yogurt and the sweetness in fig jam make it just perfect. And also the fig jam has a very unique quality. That is, it's super duper sweet. It's almost like caramel and very, very pleasant. And I eat it more or less. Yeah, it's just so sweet. And sometimes, not so often, when I do need something sweet and I'm not in the mood for a cup of tea, if we family travel, we will take one bottle of it, something like it, 1 bottle, 2 bottles, a bottle of it. And in the morning, I drink tea. Instead of tea, I drink this water because there is a little bit acidic from the backyard lemon. I put lemon in it, and a little bit blackberry. We put blackberry in it, so there is the backyard flavor and no chemical, so it tastes very good. And I use lemon curd. Good. And so I like it very, very, very much. And another thing, this is a lemon curd I just freshly made. I want to send it to friends as appreciation. And another thing is that all these jams, especially fig jam, it's very pure. It goes very, very well with charcuterie. If you have cheese plate, cold meat plate, and put a spoonful on side, it's really uplifted to to a very fancy level. Anyway, that's about it. I am shipping it. Makes me happy when I do something, so I want to share with you. You can see the listing of this on my Etsy shop. I have it. Piece of tea. I have it. Some service idea, fig serving idea, so that sorry for this noise, but such is life, right? And so good, this one. You know, when I travel, I allow myself to eat something sweeter. At home, you just do not have enough energy spent to deserve drinking anything sugary, right? But when you travel, you spend a lot of energy, and also you bring a piece of home to a new location. I mean, not traveling to another country. When we travel to another country, we do not bring any food item. Just do not get ourselves into trouble. That's it. What day is it?